Hello friends, in today's video we will understand about how you earn a Bsc Botany degree. So now let's start. Bsc Botany degree. Bsc Botany is a 4-year undergraduate course which is offered by many universities in India or across the world. In first year, we study 2 semesters, Semester 1 and Semester 2. In second year, we study next 2 semesters, Semester 3 and Semester 4. In third year, we study next 2 semesters, Semester 5 and Semester 6. In fourth, which is also called as final year, in this year we study last 2 semesters, Semester 7 and Semester 8. Semester is a time period of 6 months. So by this we understand that in a period of 4 years we have to complete total 8 semesters, which is like completing 2 semesters per year. In each semester, students have to appear for exams and lab practicals, which include written and MCQ-based questions. The marking scheme varies according to different universities. For a detailed elaboration of every unit, don't forget to watch the next part of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.